Question B24, write the equation of a line that is parallel to y equals 2x plus 3. Now, a great little tool you can do online is using something called the transform graph plotter. If you just Google that, you can basically type in equations of lines like I have done here, and they're all color-coded, and the website will basically graph those lines for you. Now, you can see that all of these lines are parallel lines. The orange, the green, the grey and the black lines are all parallel. And look at the equations that I have drawn to get those parallel lines. What have they all got in common? Well, they've all got the same number of x's. So they all begin with a 2x. The numbers on the ends are different, but they've all got the same number of x's. So and that's because the number in front of x is basically the steepness value. And the posh word for that is gradient. So lines with the same steepness value, same steepness, or same gradient are basically going to be parallel. Same steepness value, they're going to be parallel lines. So you could basically give any equation as long as it begins with y equals 2x. You could say y equals 2x plus 1,000. It's got the same steepness value, so it'd be a parallel line. You could say y equals 2x minus 57. Same gradient, so would be a parallel line. This obviously begs the question, what does the number on the end mean? The number on the end is basically the y-intercept. So if you look at the green one, that's got plus 3 on the end. And that means that the green one intercepts the y-axis. Remember, the y-axis is the vertical axis at plus 3. You can see that there's 5, so that would be 3. The orange one has got plus 5 on the end, so that's why that one intercepts at plus 5. The grey one has got a minus 4 on the end there, so that's why the grey one intercepts down here at minus 4. And the black one has a 0 on the end, which is why the black one goes right through 0 on the y-axis. So the first number in front of x is the steepness value, and if those numbers are the same on different lines, they will be parallel lines. The second number is the y-intercept, and that is where the line intercepts with the y-axis or passes through the y-axis.